How to connect LinkedIn with GitHub. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your GitHub profile to your LinkedIn account. If you are a developer, designer, or someone working with code, showing your GitHub projects on LinkedIn is a great way to highlight your work and attract job opportunities. Let's get started. Step 1. Add GitHub to your LinkedIn contact info. First, go to your LinkedIn profile. Scroll to the Contact Info section and click the pencil icon to edit. Now, click Add a website. Paste your GitHub profile link, something like github.com username. Then, choose Other as the type and write GitHub as the label. Click Apply and then Save. Step 2. Feature GitHub projects on your profile. Now, let's make your GitHub projects stand out. Scroll to the Featured section on your profile and click the plus icon. Select Add a link. Paste the website of a GitHub project you want to showcase. Add a title and a short description, something that tells people what the project is about. Then click Save. This will display a clickable preview right on your LinkedIn profile. Step 3. Mention GitHub in your experience or projects. You can also include your GitHub in the experience or project sessions. Just click Add or Edit on a job or project entry. In the description field, add your GitHub repo link. For example, check out the source code on GitHub. This adds more context to your work and shows technical credibility. And that's it. Now your GitHub is linked to your LinkedIn profile, helping recruiters and peers see what you're working on. We're helping recruiters and peers see what you're working on. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.